Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you, still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show. Ultimate Love, I can't believe I have found my love in this love pad, Sylvia said. Initially, Sylvia was paired up with Jerry, but things did not turn out well for them before three new love guests were added. When Chidi Banks came into the love pad, everything seemed to have changed about Sylvia, as they got connected instantly and things started working fine with her. Since after that, the couple never looked back as their love continues to wax stronger with each passing moment. Sylvia could not get enough of the love between her and Chidi Banks, as she was seen telling other love guests that she couldn't believe that she could be this lucky. Sylvia, in her words, she said, "I can't believe I have found my love in this love pad. I am looking to a better future with my Chidi Bang Bang. He's a real man. He pampers me a lot, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. Good luck, ultimate couple Chivia." Okay guys, this is Ultimate Love News, reaching you from the Ultimate Love Pad through your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. If you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops. Stay tuned to my channel, I'll be bringing more gists.